Hello, group. This is Trent Smith reporting in for this week's discussion board about our career choices. The career path that I'm pursuing is that of a counseling psychologist. The job description for a counselor includes using a knowledge of psychology to assist the client in overcoming actual and perceived limitations to their best life and whatever their perception is of their own best life, helping them understand in some cases what that might be and how to overcome any restrictions that they put on themselves or that they've adopted from the world to keep themselves from reaching that highest potential. Using the foundation of psychology to break down overwhelming feelings into manageable and understandable information, smaller blocks using regular lingo, terminologies that they can understand, helping clients understand themselves and teaching them to become self-sufficient in assessing their perceptions and situations, past and present, in a healthy manner. Actually, as it says here, empower individuals to break free from trauma and toxic cycles. My goal here wouldn't be just to, play the all-knowing doctor, as you might say, but more of an empowering role to help individuals that are coming to me for assistance and understanding their life and what they're feeling and experiencing, their perception, to help them to really understand it and help them to be able to take these things into their own hands, that they might be able to become self-sufficient and ultimately successful in their life. The education required to become a counseling psychologist legally, you may graduate with either a master's in counseling or clinical psychology. Further education could include a PsyD or PhD, but my plan, my 4-year plan, I expect to have graduated with a bachelor's degree in psychology, and to have networked and participated in enough extra pursuits such as, labs, experiments, networking with professors and researchers to be able to get the letters of recommendation and, the visible paper merits to, to be able to enter into a master's program. At first I thought about being a life coach. A life coach would technically only require a certificate, but I definitely want to expand my area of influence and competency to be able to reach out to those who might have mental disorders that are holding them back from the pursuit of a normal and happy and good life and fulfilling life. I don't want to be limited by not being in school, and I don't want to be wrong, quite frankly. I want to be able to say and know that I've been formally educated in the best methods and research that I'll be able to help people to reach their potential. My reasoning for choosing a bachelor's degree in psychology is, as it said in this is bothering me, as it said in the chapter 13, I do have a strong interest in psychology and life sciences, all life sciences. I was originally a biology major, but psychology really is my passion and my focus, and something that I think is just about the most fascinating, because to me there's nothing more interesting than the human mind. It's the essence of art to me. And I have a huge passion for fulfillment, which to me means anything in this life that can give you true satisfaction and feeling that your days and your hours and minutes are well spent. Another option was that I want to figure myself out, and that's absolutely true. The fulfillment is, I believe, for myself first, and I believe that it must be for myself first. I need to understand myself and my own limitations and how to overcome them to be able to accurately and empathetically understand what it would take to help another to reach their own potential. I'm about out of time, so I would just say that my ideal work scenario would be just that, to know that every day I'm directly aiding someone in living up to their full potential and helping them to, using the greatest tool that we have, which is our mind, break down all restrictions and limitations that would keep them from achieving joy in this life. And that is my purpose and destiny, and I think that changing the world is possible, one person at a time, if we all adopt this mindset. Thank you for coming to my Trent Talk. Look me up on Instagram at This Is My Trent Talk. I'll appreciate your responses.